is that Gladys herself is a suspect and an accused person, right? In the interference and manipulation, in the criminal interference and manipulation of election results in the presidential elections of 2022. We have evidence that we have presented both to the DCI and to the police with OB numbers and police reports of her people, her agents that she was facilitating on the floor of Bomas, who, the documents that we found and the laptops that we presented to the police, including, and the phones that we presented, all of them contain very incriminating evidence against my colleague here and her party and her principal and the IEBC. Ken, some of these things are under investigations, and I don't want to preempt the investigations, but we have presented compelling evidence in our petition to show that there was a criminal scheme to manipulate the elections using all manner of schemes, unbelievable schemes. We have shown before the Supreme Court that UDA essentially had what they call in technology terms a black server. In technology terms, that is a clone of the IEBC server.